Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the preview of my project, so let's get started. I'm using mixed media paper and this distress oxide spray. These three colors, one is mermaid lagoon, wild honey, and then peeled paint. Uh, First, I'm going to spray mermaid lagoon and I'm going to spray water on that and spread it out. Then I'm going to use brush and spread it out a little bit. I'm going to dry it before I put the next color. Now I'm going to use this wild honey. Then I'm going to spray water and do the same thing. I'm going to add little more because it turned into green when it got mixed up with the blue. So I'm adding a little bit more in that. Then I'm going to dry this. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you won't miss my videos as I post it. Now I'm using the third color, peeled paint, and I'm going to put it on the top and spray water and do the same thing as well. You could even spray it if you want, but I just dropped those colors and then sprayed water. But you can do both ways. Then I'm now going to dry everything before going for the next step. Um, I'm going to wait and then spread it out a little bit. Then I'm going to dry it. Now I'm using this distress color watercolor pencils. I'm using different colors in this, like I'm now adding a black color for the outline. These are like easier to use it when you dip those pencils in the water and then spread it out using the brush. You can even try with the neo color crayons if you are not comfortable with this, um, or even with the watercolor. um, I just wanted to try this pencil, so I never used it, so I'm trying this in this project. These are very bright and lot of pigment in the pencil, so it's nice and bright. Now I'm going to darken some of the areas using the other color pencils. Now I'm using yellow color pencil, watercolor distress oxide pencil. You can see that in some of the areas it's really getting bright. Now I'm going to use this stamp which is from Bo Bunny, and I'm going to stamp those on the edges to give that grungy look. And I'm using archival ink. This definitely gives that grungy look on the edges. So now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm using this stamp from Art by Merlin. So these are like tiny stamps, so I'm using those. Now I'm using different color archival ink and then different stamp. They have all these tiny stamps in that, so I'm using those. Now I'm going to dry it. I'm using the what I think acrylic paint pen. I think this is. So I'm going to be coloring those small stamps. Then this is like a acrylic paint pen. So I'm using that. I'm using different markers also in this and do some doodling. Now I'm going to dry everything. Now I'm going to add this circle stamp. Then I'm using a different stamp, which is like a number stamp. Now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm using this stencil and molding paste. I'm going to apply it on the stencil. So this finishes my project. I'm going to stick the coat and finish it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you in my next project. So thanks for watching. Bye.